DriveHappyMotors.com. Shop happy, buy happy, drive happy at DriveHappyMotors.com. We are Warren and Hawley, Spokane's only automotive matchmakers, matching sellers with buyers and buyers with sellers. No dealers allowed. Only clean title, good running, for sale by owner vehicles are posted on DriveHappyMotors.com. The vehicle must pass our neutral third-party inspection process, as well as our safety standards and market evaluations. So not just anyone can post, leaving you to drive all over Spokane chasing misrepresented vehicles. In addition, Drive Happy Motors only posts vehicles. You won't find any free puppies or garage sales at DriveHappyMotors.com. We also care about our clients' safety, both buyers and sellers. Let's face it, in the world we live in, no one wants to go into a stranger's house. Our convenient downtown location is ideal for meetings, and we can help hash out the details over a cup of coffee. We want to help. Our sellers are happy because they can help find their good car a new home, and they don't need to take pennies on the dollar at the dealership. This service is for everyone, whether you're a business person with no time for phone calls, texts, emails, or you're a parent that can't leave your children alone, or better yet, you want to avoid revealing your personal information such as your phone number or address. We help you. DriveHappyMotors.com. Shop happy, buy happy, drive happy at DriveHappyMotors.com.